Please take a moment to watch this short instructional video, which will help you navigate to our service department and what to expect when you arrive. The entrance to Dwyers Ram is located at 449 Main Street, Bairnsdale. When you enter, please drive through to our undercover service driveway. Our friendly valet attendants will greet you and go over the details of your booking. To ensure a smooth service experience, please ensure you arrive on time for your service booking. If you have pre-booked a loan vehicle, our valet attendant will assist you. Please remember to bring your driver's licence with you to complete the booking. You may also like to wait in our customer lounge, where complimentary coffee, snacks and Wi-Fi is provided. As part of your service, we will provide a complimentary car wash. Please keep your phone nearby, as your dedicated service advisor will be in touch with any updates and to let you know when your vehicle is ready for collection. We look forward to seeing you soon.